Imagine a car that doesn't just run on electricity but actually generates its own power from the sun. This is the Aptera Solar Car, a futuristic three-wheeled vehicle designed in the USA that looks more like a spaceship than a car. Its teardrop shape and ultra-aerodynamic body allow it to slice through the air with incredible efficiency, while the roof and rear are covered in solar panels that can add up to 40 miles of range each day without ever plugging in. From the front, it greets you with razor-thin LED headlights and a sleek, pointed nose, giving it a bold and futuristic presence. Move around to the back and you'll notice its unique tapered tail, designed for maximum energy efficiency, with narrow tail lights that look straight out of a sci-fi movie. Inside, the Aptera is just as advanced. The cabin is minimalistic, built for 2 passengers, featuring a yoke-style steering wheel, a large central touchscreen, and a panoramic glass roof that reveals the solar panels above. Unlike traditional cars, there's no gas engine here. Power comes from in-wheel electric motors and high-density batteries that work seamlessly with the built-in solar array. The result is a car that can go over 1,000 miles on a single charge when combined with solar power. The Aptera isn't just another EV, it's a bold vision of the future, clean, efficient, and unlike anything else on the road.